Live in Somerville, Massachusetts, here's Maddie Matter. Welcome everyone. Today we'll be interviewing a mysterious, unusual, never-before-seen guest who will amaze your eyes. He will be helping us discuss the mind-blowing properties of matter.
Hello everyone, I think it's time you discover who I really am. I will give you a hint before I reveal myself. My perfect three dimensions will help find the properties of matter. Do you know who I am?
For those of you that don't know, the properties of matter are mass, volume, and density. You've been dying to see him, our special guest for this evening, QV.
Thanks, Matt. And what will we be discussing today?
Well, let's start off with explaining what matter is.
If I'm correct, matter is anything that has to do with mass and volume.
Yes, indeed, my cube-shaped friend. My memory's a little foggy on mass and volume. Could you explain?
Let's start with my favorites. Volume! It's pretty much the amount of space that something takes up. Let's demonstrate on how to find it. Can you get the ruler?
To find the volume of something, such as our friend QV, you need to measure the length, width, and height using a ruler.
Well, it looks like I'm about 25 centimeters tall and 15 centimeters wide. And 50 centimeters is my length. What do you think, Matt?
I think you're pretty fat for a cube. Just kidding.
That's not funny. I'm very insecure about my weight. My diet isn't working that well. Gosh.
Sorry, my friend. Anyways, now that we have our large measurements, to find the total volume, we multiply all the numbers together. It looks like your volume is 5,625 centimeters cubed.
That can't be right. I was 5 centimeters cubed last week. I'm going to sue Jenny Craig.
Isn't Jenny Craig for women?
Do you have a problem with that?
Let's move on to mass.
I'm a very sensitive person, and I don't do that right now. My brother-in-law is asking me for DNA test to see if my child is actually fine.
Leave your personal life out of this. Let's discuss math.
Tell me what to do.
Calm yourself and let's move on.
Fine, have it your way. Math is about to matter in something. Happy now?
Yes, and how exactly do you find the mass of something?
Well, the triple beat balance, of course. You need to zero it first, and then you have to go ahead and measure it and slide the riders.
Oh yes, and once you've measured and it is zeroed again, you have your mass. You're insecure about your weight, so we won't check yours.
Thanks. Let's move on to density.
Density is the measurement of how much mass is contained in a given volume of an object.
And how exactly do we find density?
Mass divided by volume.
Well, I'm about 1,000 grams.
You can't be that much. You're about 1 kilogram.
Really? Do I look that skinny?
Sure. Anyways.
So mass divided by volume, huh?
Yeah, so let's find out your density.
Well, my mass is 1 kilogram, and my volume is 5,625 centimeters cubed. So 1 kilogram divided by 5,625 is 0.17. Oh crap, I got figures.
Watch your language!
Oh, sorry.
Well, that's it for today.
Well, wait a minute. I have a question for you.
What?
How are things with your wife?
Hey, this is my show. You don't ask the questions, I do. Oh, and by the way, my personal problems don't concern you. Her feet are none of your business, and neither is the fungus problem she's having.
No problem.
That's what I thought.
We should wrap this for today.
I already said that. You just had to bring up my wife.
I was just wondering. I'm a very curious cube.
No need to get personal. You're not personal, Peter. He was here yesterday.
Well, hi folks. I'm off to Jenny Craig.
Good luck with that.
Thanks.
And have fun on the biggest cube.
Hey! The biggest.
Well, that's it. I'm Matt Matter, and we'll see you tomorrow.